Just real quick question. I'm going to go fast and I want everyone to yell answers at me, right? Will the world of work be the same or different in 10, 20 years? Different. Now we're coming into this fourth industrial revolution. What is it? That's right, it's taking the automation to the next level where things are automatically doing it for you, adapting, all of a sudden predicting what we might be doing. So what does that do for the future of the workforce? It's about the non-cognitive soft skills. This is how work used to be, life used to be. You would learn something at school, you would apply the knowledge. You would make a career and live and do all those things. One time, maybe twice, right? A couple times. But here's what it is now. You first learn, then you apply the knowledge. This is where it gets different, right? Automation comes in, AI comes in, and it changes your job. Knowing this, what could we do? What are the solutions that are being suggested if we're thinking about this kind of new skill set? These are some of the skills that we hope to train, make sure that if you're gonna reinvent yourself, you gotta know yourself. You have to develop mental balance, right? Because again, if that reinvention, this whole process so many times, you gotta keep learning, right? It's up to us as teachers to get our students through this cycle and give them the tools. Anybody heard of a guy named Goleman? Daniel? He's kind of been a pioneer in emotional intelligence, wrote a book called Emotional Intelligence, right? And so he says the new yardstick isn't about how smart we are, right? But it's about how we handle ourselves, it's about our emotional intelligence and the qualities we have, right? Empathy, adaptability, persuasiveness, right? Because guess what? This is what we're gonna use to identify the future performers, the star performers. I think it's important for them to be able to apply the content and understand themselves as they kind of go through and navigate the world.